What's up everyone? Welcome to another video. In this video, I'll fix a toilet tank leak between the tank and the bowl. This is a simple fix that can be completed in about 15 minutes for about $5, and I'll go through it step by step. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Now, let's get started. I noticed some water accumulation where the toilet meets the floor. After some investigation, I discovered a slow water leak at the bolts that connect the toilet to the bowl. Fortunately, this is an inexpensive and easy fix. First, turn off the water supply to the toilet. Next, hold the flush lever down and completely empty the tank. There will probably be a little bit of water remaining in the bottom, which you can soak out with a towel or catch with a bucket when you remove the tank bowl connecting bolts. Disconnect the water line from the tank. Now it's time to remove the connecting bolts. This toilet has 2 bolts. Use a flathead screwdriver inside the tank to hold the bolt head so it doesn't rotate. On the bottom of the bowl, use a socket or a wrench to remove the nut. Repeat this for the remaining connecting bolts. Now you can remove the tank, and remove the bolts from the tank as well. So here's my replacement bolts. Tank to bowl bolts. The instructions are on the back. A bolt kit should cost roughly $5. According to the directions, I will install the bolt with a rubber washer inside of the tank. On the bottom of the tank is a steel washer, then a hex nut. Then the tank is installed onto the bowl, and on the bottom of the bowl is a rubber washer, a steel washer, and a wing nut. I only have 2 bolts. I don't need this third set. These are the directions for my specific bolt kit. There are a variety of kits, but they are pretty similar. Follow the directions for the specific bolt kit that you choose. Now, let's do it! It would be a good time to replace the tank bowl gasket as well if desired. For this bolt kit, first install the tank bolt with a rubber washer inside of the tank. Then install a steel washer and a hex nut on the bottom of the tank. I had to cut the sound to this because there's some distracting music or something in the background. Check it out. Repeat for all the tank bolts. Install the tank bowl gasket. Now put the tank onto the bowl. From below, install a rubber washer, a steel washer, and a wing nut. I just got the nut started, not completely tightened down. Repeat for the other bolts. Then evenly tighten all of the nuts. Reconnect the water line and turn on the water. The tank will fill back up. Check for leaks. This toilet is good to go. No leaks. So that wraps up this fix. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Drop any comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's check for leaks.